Valentine's Day is coming, and let's be honest, most guys are already confused. What gift should I give my girlfriend? Is this gift enough? Will she like it? If you're watching this video, trust me, you're already one step ahead. In today's video, I'm going to share the best Valentine's Day gift ideas for your girlfriend. Gifts that are romantic, meaningful, and actually make her feel special. All product links are in the description, so you don't need to search anywhere. Let's start! Before we talk about gifts, remember one thing. Girls don't care about price. They care about effort and emotion. So, while watching this video, think, what does she like? What makes her smile? What reminds her of you? Now, the first gift, and honestly, one of the most emotional gifts, is a personalized photo frame or photo book. This gift works because it captures your memories, shows effort, feels personal. You can include your first photo together, a trip memory, a cute candid picture, a romantic quote. Every time she looks at it, she remembers you and that moment. This is perfect for long distance relationships, first Valentine's Day, emotional girlfriends. Best personalized photo gift links are in the description. Next gift, jewelry. This is a Valentine's Day classic for a reason. Jewelry is not just an accessory, it's a memory she carries. Best jewelry options: minimal necklace, heart-shaped pendant, bracelet with charm, name engraved jewelry. Why this works? Every time she wears it, she thinks of you. Tip: avoid cheap-looking designs. Simple and elegant always wins. Trusted jewelry gift links are in the description. Third gift, perfume. A fragrance is a very powerful gift because smell is directly connected to memory. Choose floral fragrance, sweet or romantic notes, long-lasting perfume. Why perfume is a great gift? Whenever she uses it, it reminds her of Valentine's, that moment. Always choose trusted brands. Recommended perfume links are in the description. If your girlfriend loves aesthetic room setups, cute decor, cozy vibes, then an LED moon lamp or romantic light is a perfect gift. This gift looks premium, creates romantic mood, is Instagram worthy, especially amazing for nighttime. Very cozy and romantic. Buy links for moon lamps and decor are in the description. Gift 5. If your girlfriend loves beauty products, then this gift shows you pay attention. You can gift lipstick combo, skincare routine kit, beauty gift box. Why this works? Shows you care about her interests. Feels thoughtful. Very useful gift. Always choose branded and trusted products only. Beauty and skincare gift links are below. Before continue the video, please join our Telegram channel for latest deals and offers. After completing 1000 subscribers in Telegram, we will keep weekly giveaways, so join fast. Gift 6. Now, let's talk about a cute and romantic combo. Teddy bear with chocolates. This gift is cute, romantic, emotional. Perfect if your girlfriend loves soft toys. Chocolates, cute surprises. Simple, classic, and always works. Combo gift links are in the description. Gift 7. Another great Valentine's gift is a watch or fashion accessory. Options include stylish watch, handbag, sling bag, wallet, minimal style. Why this is a good choice? She can use it daily, stylish and practical. Reminds her of you. Fashion gift links are available below. Bonus gift, handwritten love letter. Now, listen carefully. This is the most powerful gift and it costs nothing. A handwritten love letter. Write about how you met, why you love her, what she means to you, your future dreams. Trust me, this will touch her heart more than any expensive gift. Combine this with any gift above. Important buying tips. Before ordering, order early to avoid Valentine delivery delays. Check reviews. Choose emotional value over price. That's why I've added verified links only in the description. So these were the best Valentine's Day gifts you can give your girlfriend. Check the description for all product links. Prices change daily. Grab the best deal now. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment which gift you're choosing. Happy Valentine's Day and all the best.